Now, we have now example 1 from 21 to 98. I think we solved this example before. Q1 is 36, Q2 is, which is the median, 52. And by the way, we call the median is Q2, and Q3 is the 61. And we know how to find them, so I am passing. Now, what is the minimum value by looking at this? 21. What is the maximum value by looking at this? 98. So minimum Q1, Q2, Q3, and maximum. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different data we have. So by including minimum and maximum values for the data set, we define what is known as the 5-number summary. This is called 5-number summary. 5-number summaries are minimum, Q1, Q2, Q3, and maximum. Right now, everybody, ladies, be careful. Focus on here. It's important. Now, using the 5 numbers summary, we can construct a graphical display of the data called, which is box plot. So, let me underline this. By using 5 informations, we can show our data values, and we can show this 5 information. What are they? Minimum, Q1, Q2, Q3, and maximum. By using a graph, which is called box plot, even whisper plot also could be used. The whisper plot, I think this was the name. The British prefer to use this, American prefer to use this one. Minimum, Q1, Q2, Q3, maximum. Now we will show this 5 data summary on a graph. This graph is called box plot. Box plots could be horizontal, as it is, or vertically. So you may imagine the same thing here. I mean, this is the data set, something like that, let's say. Here, vertically, okay? This is no problem. But in general, we are using the horizontal one, but you can see also vertical one. We begin drawing a box plot by first constructing a scale. This is most important thing. A scale, the scale should extend from below the minimum value and above the maximum value. What does it mean? When we look at our data values, minimum is 21, maximum is 98. So when I construct a scale, so there should be something on the scale less than my minimum, there should be something greater than my maximum. I mean, if this is the scale, okay, so on the scale, so first of all, we are equally dividing them, 5, 10, 15, 20, or 10, 20, 30, 40. It depends on your data. 5 is good, but 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, till 100. Why till 100? Since maximum data is 98, so I can choose 100 or 105 or 110. It's not a problem. But I cannot choose 90. I cannot choose 95. Since if I choose this is now 90, the maximum, but it must be 98, so the graph will be out of paper, out of scale. It's not acceptable. And the minimum value is 21, so I can choose the scaling even from the 15. I can start from 15, okay? Now, it starts from the 0. I think it's a good idea. From 0 to 100, it's a good scaling. So first of all, we are deciding to scale what should be starting point, start, and what should be ending point, okay, lasting point. So minimum 21, maximum 98. You can choose 15 to 100, but better to choose 0 to 100. It's better. Yeah, your question, let me take. What is the question?
Hocam, is it minimum 21? Then why should we start from 0? Just to start from like,
It's
I
a
don't know,
scale.
90.
Think of it like that. This is A4 paper or graphing paper, okay? So your graphing paper starts from 0 to 100. For example, I am saying, so if it is 20, so you will say the minimum one is 20. Yeah, you will draw like that,
Oh, thank you. Got it.
okay? But this is not graphing paper. This is like a A4 paper, or it's a draft paper. Any paper, I mean, you have in your hand. I am saying this one. So when you draw a scale, all the data must be in this range. But it's better to, for example, start the minimum here and finish the maximum here, so the people can understand when they look at, huh, I mean, this is the minimum. If you start directly here, sorry, if you start directly here, I wonder that, is there any member which is less than this? Maybe you forget. But when you put the scale, it's clear that there is nothing here. Why? This is the starting point, this is the ending point, and there are other things. So it's clear your maximum point is here. Okay, but if you cut it here, direct the scale, there could be something. Could it be, for example, 99, 100? Maybe you forget to put. No, since you draw and you put the starting and ending point, you are 100% sure that it starts here, it finished here. There is nothing here, or there is nothing there. Okay, now from the beginning again. So we look at what is the minimum, we look at what is the maximum. Accordingly, we are scaling. And it's better to scale equally. I mean, 5, 10, 15. So, you know, these are when you do, let me change the color. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 60, and 45, 50, 55, 60. I mean, they must be equally distributed, okay? Like a ruler, okay? Now, and then we continue. We begin drawing a box plot by first constructing a scale. And then scale should extend from the below the minimum and above the maximum. Okay, it's logical, reasonable. And then what we do, locate the minimum value, first quartile, Q1, Q2, and Q3, and the maximum value on this scale. So what was our minimum value? It was 21. So where is 21? So you go up, 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 up here. So you put one circle, one closed circle, and it shows that this is your minimum, which is, it is 21. And then I prefer to show the maximum normally. Maximum is 98. So I am finding 98, where is it? So I do like that. So I am putting this one. And then Q1. Q1 is 36. So you are looking 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. So 36 is here. So when you go there, draw something like that. Let me show you like that. So we draw this, and then we draw Q1 here, and then Q2, 52. Where is 52? It's here. So we will draw a box, 52 here, Q2. And where is Q3? 61. Where is 61 here? So we say this is Q3. And then all the other things up to where? Up to maximum value. So this is called our box plot, or this is called whisper plot. So something like that then. So no need to draw this. Something like that. And probably you have seen this in Excel or in PowerPoint. If you draw the graph by using the data, you can see this. Now, whenever we look this kind of data, we understand this is the minimum, this is the maximum, this is Q1, this is Q2, and this is Q3. I didn't write here, it's Q3. Okay, that's it. So if this is given to you, if the question is what is Q1, what is Q2, what is Q3, what is max, what is mean, you are able to tell this. Imagine this scale is given, this graph is given, so you will say, the teacher, let me go down, yeah, This is roughly 21, so this is minimum. Teacher, let me go down. So this is roughly 98, so this is maximum. So this is Q1, which is 26 or 36, whatever. This is Q2, this is Q3. That's it. Okay, numbers could be given, graph could be asked, or graph could be given. These things should be asked to you. Let's go. Then draw a box whose vertical sides go through the first quartile, median, and the third quartile. So we are drawing the box. Draw a line from the minimum data value to the left side of the box and draw a line from the maximum. I'm simply just draw this rectangle. So again, this is where the Q1 start. Where is the Q1 I mean? Where is the Q2? And where is the Q3? That's it.